How to add Calendly in Webflow. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add Calendly into one of your Webflow website. So first things first, go to Webflow and click on Add Element. Search over here for Embed. As you can see, you have the code embed over here. You're going to select this and put it into your page over here. And you will have a pop-up that would appear where you could paste a code. And it's as simple as that. So, where do you get the code? Go to Calendly, navigate to one of your events that you want to add into your Webflow, click on Share, and click on Add to Website. You have three options over here. You have Embed, Pop-up, or Pop-up Text. You can choose any of this option, click on Continue, and simply copy the URL or the HTML code that is going to appear over here, paste it into the code block that is the embed, and you will be able to add Webflow and Calendly together. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.